150 gram chickpea flour or gram flour, half teaspoon ginger powder, 150 gram flour, and half teaspoon ginger powder, half teaspoon turmeric. Add half teaspoon ginger powder, add half teaspoon turmeric in 150 gram flour, chickpea flour. Add 1 tablespoon sugar, big 1 tablespoon sugar. Mix sugar, ginger powder, turmeric, gram flour. Add 2 teaspoon oil, 2 teaspoon oil. Combine all the ingredients together. Add 2 tablespoons semolina, 2 tablespoons semolina. Add 2 tablespoon lemon juice. I am using bottle lemon juice. You can add fresh lemon juice. 2 tablespoon. Now add 150 ml water. Add half teaspoon salt. Mix half teaspoon salt. Add 150 ml water. Combine all the ingredients together. And let the dough rest for 15 minutes. Combine all ingredients together. More you whisk it, more it will be fluffy and soft. Now grease the pan with the oil. Dip your hands in the oil and apply oil on the pan. Apply the oil on the pan. Now after 15 minutes add 1 teaspoon Inu fruit salt. This is half teaspoon. So half teaspoon, total 1 teaspoon Inu fruit salt. This was half teaspoon, that's why I added twice time. Total 1 teaspoon fruit salt. Whisk or mix it for 12 seconds very well until it's light and fluffy. Mix it very well for 12 seconds. Now pour the batter in the cake pan. Pour all the batter in the cake pan. Now we will bake at 180 Celsius for 12 to 13 minutes. I baked it 12 minutes. You can check your oven. Maybe it takes 13 minutes or 11 minutes. But I baked it exactly 180 Celsius for 12 minutes. Toothpick coming out clean means it's baked perfectly. Now move the knife all around the edges, removing it from the pan. Now overturn the bowl on the plate and overturn the pan on the plate and tap it to remove the from the cake pan. See, it's perfectly baked in the 12 minutes, soft, spongy. Now again overturn this on the plate. Soft, spongy dokla or gram flour cake. Now we will make tempering. 2 tablespoon oil. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds. Add half teaspoon salt. Add half teaspoon sugar. Now add 15 curry leaves, fresh or dry curry leaves, 15. I am using dry curry leaves. Now cook everything until boiling. Cook everything for 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame until it's boiling or splattering. It's ready. Now to switch off the gas and remove this from the stove. Now on the top of the cake, use this splattering tempering. Add curry leaves oil on the top of the cake, tempering. Spread it on all over nicely. It gives yummy and sour taste to the cake. So I added all the oil. Use only 2 tablespoon oil only. Now we will add the desiccated coconut on the top of the cake. 2 tablespoon desiccated coconut. Then we will cut it into the pieces and we will enjoy this savory cake or gram flour cake, also called dhokla. Let's cut it into the pieces. It is very soft and chewy. This is very yummy cake. You must try this. I will show you the piece after cutting. So watch till end please. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Your views matters a lot. Press bell icon button. Thank you for watching. See soft spongy cake perfectly baked in 12 minutes. Thank you for watching.